Hi, I'm Dee Davis, founder of Yellowstone Professional Education. We are excited to announce that Composting 101, a step-by-step beginner's guide, is now available on demand. Who should take Composting 101? Well, certainly beginners. It walks you through step-by-step everything you need to know from the very beginning of how composting works, all the way through how to select your bin, select proper tools, and harvest your compost. It's also a great course for intermediate composters. There's tips and tricks in the course that will help you become a better, faster, and more efficient composter. Our class includes lecture, instructional video, and handouts that you can use throughout your composting journey. We look forward to seeing you in class.